Hello. So this is day 3 of the JJ Smith green smoothie detox, and I'm just basically showing again how I make my smoothies, the steps that I take, how I layer them to have a smooth smoothie. That's very important to me. And this is a cheap blender, as I mentioned in the other video, but it does an amazing job. It's so smooth. It's kind of weird when I'm chewing my smoothies, because it's like I'm chewing on juice or water or something. So that's pretty amazing. I'm just showing you what I put in here and the things that I've used. Today I took the time to show you guys how to make approved tuna/egg salad. You can also just make a tuna salad or just egg salad, depending on what you like and what you have a taste for. I personally feel like snacks are important to get through the day. I haven't been hungry, like starving or hangry or anything crazy these past few days, but I did notice that I had put 2 scoops of protein in my shakes the first 2 days, and I noticed that it said 1 in the recipe, but I'm 100% positive it's okay. Like, it's okay to tweak these things to your liking. And so I guess since I ate more protein, I wasn't as hungry. And actually both days, though, day 1 and day 2, I did not finish my 3rd smoothie because I was not hungry. And I didn't want to force myself to finish it. And she said that it is okay, not to force yourself to eat if you don't finish that 3rd smoothie. So adding those 2 scoops in that mix kept me full, So what else can I tell you? Oh, there's another snack video that I made showing you how to make this spicy cucumber salad. I got quiet because I don't even know the words to explain. I love cucumbers. So if you love cucumbers like me, you should love this salad. If you like spice, then you're gonna love this salad. And if you don't like spice, leave it out, because for years I've been eating lemon pepper cucumbers, where I just squeeze some lemon juice on the cucumbers with some lemon pepper seasoning. And if it sits overnight and soak up that deliciousness, oh my God, my soul be touched, yes. But anyway, so you can check out that video if you like. I'll be uploading it soon. And yeah, man, it's essential. I'm gonna keep saying it because it is. If you think about it, just the smoothies, and you're like, oh my God, how can I go from eating 1,000 pounds of processed food to eating all this amazing earth-grown stuff? You can do it. And eating those snacks help you make it through the day. Just think about it one day at a time, and you can do it. So comment below, let me know what you have been thinking, how you feeling. Don't forget to subscribe, and also remember to be the charming one.